Exercise 3.2, question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. First one, x plus y equal to 14. Second, x minus y equal to 4. So this is the first equation and this will be the second equation. So now here in the first equation, x plus y equal to 14, then y equal to 14 minus x here. Now substituting equation 1 in equation 2. Substituting equation 1 in equation 2 here. So we get x minus y equal to 4 here. So we know x minus y is 14 minus x. That means 14 minus x equal to 4 here. That means x minus 14 plus x equal to 4 here. So x 2x here, 2x equal to 4 plus 14, then 2x equal to here 18 and x equal to 18 by 2, which is 9 here. So now when x is 9, then y equal to, when x is 9, y equal to, that is 14 minus x, that equal to 14 minus 9, which is equal to 5 here. So x is 9 and y is 5 here. Second one, s minus t equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. So this is first equation, this is second equation. S minus t equal to 3, that means s equal to t plus 3 here. So this is s value. So substituting this in 1. So equation 1 in 2 suppose. Then we get s is t plus 3 here. That means t plus 3 by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6 here. So now taking the LCM, we get here 6 and 2 into 3 plus t here plus 3t equal to 6 here. Now 3 into 2 6 plus 2t plus 3t by 6 equal to 6. 6 plus 5t, 6 plus 5t equal to 6 into 6, that is 36 here. Then 5t equal to 36 minus 6, that is 30 here, and t equal to 30 by 5, which is equal to 6 here. So when t is 6, we are going to find s. We know s is equal to t plus 3 here. So t is 6, then 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9 here. So our answer is s equal to 9 and t equal to 6. Question number 3. 3x minus y equal to 3. 9x minus 3y equal to 9. So this is first equation, this is second equation. So now we know here y equal to, here 3 minus, here minus y, here 3 minus 3x, and y equal to 3x minus 3 here. So This is the y value. And we are going to input in equation 2. Equation 1 in equation 2. So we get 9x minus 3 into 3x minus 3 equal to 9 here. So 9x minus 9x plus 9 equal to 9 here. So 9x cancel, 9 cancel, we get answer 0. So which means the two equations coincide each other, and we are going to get many solutions here. We are going to get many solutions here. Question number 4. 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. So let it be first equation, this will be second equation here. So in the first equation, when you are going to see, so 0.3y equal to 1.3 minus 0.2x, then y equal to 1.3 minus 0.2x by 0.3 here. Now substituting this value, equation 1 suppose in equation 2, this one in equation 2. So we get 0.4x plus 0.5y. 5y means y value this. So here we are going to keep 1.3 minus 0.2x by 0.3 here. So that equal to 2.3 here. So now multiplying, we get 0.4x plus 0.5 into 1.3, which will be 0.6y minus 5 into 2, 10, which will be here x, here 0.1x by 0.3 here, that equal to 2.3. So afterwards we are going to take LCM here, 0.3. So 0.3 into 0.4, which will be 0.12x plus 0.65x minus 0.1x, which is equal to 2.3 here. So 0.12x plus 0.65x minus 0.1x equal to, so 0.3 into 2.3, which will be 6.9, that means 0.69. 0.69. So now here when you are going to add, we will be getting, so here no x here, here no x, here x is not there here. So now 0.12 minus 0.1x, that will become 0.02x here, and here 0.69 here minus 0.69 minus 0.65 here. So now 0.02x equal to 0.04 here. So x equal to 0.04 by 0.02 here. So which will be 2 here. So x is equal to 2. So we know y equal to 1.3 minus 0.2x by 0.3 here. So in the x place we are going to input 2 here. So now y equal to 1.3 minus 0.2 into 2, 0.4 by 0.3 here. So y equal to here 0.9 by 0.3, so that equal to 3 here. So y value 3. So we get x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 here. Question number 5. Root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. So let it be equation 1 here, equation 2 here. So now when you are going to see here, so y equal to, so root 2x, that means here minus root 2x by root 3. So y equal to this. So let it be equation 1 and substituting equation 1 in equation 2. Substituting equation 1 in equation 2. So now we are going to see root 3. Here root 3x minus root 8, which is substituting minus root 2x by root 3 here, that equal to 0 here. So now we are going to take root 3 as LCM, root 3 here. So root 3 into root 3x, we are going to see root 3 into root 3x here minus now root 2 into here root 2 into here minus plus here root 2 into root 2x here. So that will be equal to 0. So now root 3 into root 3, we get 3 here, 3x plus here 8 into 2, which will be root 16 here, x by root 3 equal to 0 here. So root 3 into 0, 0. So we get 3x plus root 16 will be 4x, which is equal to 0 here. So now 7x equal to 0 and x equal to 0. So now x equal to 0, we are going to find y. So we know y equal to minus root 2x by root 3 here. So in the x place we are going to keep 0 minus root 2 into 0 by root 3. So that will become 0 here. So here x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 here. Question number 6. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. 3 by x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. So here we are going to take LCM here. So we get 6 here. So here 3 into 3x will be 9x minus here 2 into 10, 2 into 5, that means 10y equal to minus 2 here. So of that 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. That means minus 10y equal to minus 12 minus 9x. So y equal to, we get here minus common 12 plus 9x by minus 10. So y equal to 12 plus 9x by 10 here. Now substituting y value in equation 2 here. In equation 2. So we get x. So here also we are going to take LCM here. That means we get LCM 6. Now 3 in 2 and 2 into x, that will be 2x plus here 2 3's and 3 into y, 3y, that equal to 13 by 6 here. So here 6 cancel, we get 2x plus 3y equal to 13 here. So now this is the equation 2. So substituting y value in equation 2, that will be 2x plus 3 into, which is 9x plus 12 by 10 equal to 13 here. So now 2x plus 27x plus 36 by 10 equal to 13. Taking LCM, which will be 10. Now here 20x plus 27x plus 36 equal to 13 here. So now 13 into 10, 130. So here 27, which will be 47x plus 36 equal to 130. So now 47x equal to 130 minus 36, which will be 94, and x equal to 94 by x equal to 94 by 47, which will be equal to 2 here. Now substituting x value in y. So y we know, which is 12 plus 9x by 10. So now y equal to 12 plus 9 into x is 2 here by 10. So y equal to 12 plus 18 here by 10. So y equal to 12 plus 18, which is 30 by 10, that equal to 3 here. So here x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 here. Question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3 here. So here first equation, when you are going to see 2x plus 3y equal to 11. So now 3y equal to 11 minus 2x and y equal to 11 minus 2x by 3 here. So let it be 1. Substitution 1 in equation 2 here. So we get 2x minus 4 into 11 minus 2x by 3 into minus 24 here. So now 2x minus 44 minus 8x, so which will be minus minus plus. So here minus only by 3 here. So here minus 24. So now taking LCM 3, so it will become 6x minus 44. Here minus minus plus 8x equal to minus 24 here. So now 6x, 8x, which will be 14x minus 44 equal to 24 into 3, which will be minus 72 here. Now 14x equal to minus 72 plus 44, which will become minus 28 here. So x equal to minus 28 by 14, that equal to minus 2 here. So we got x equal to minus 2. Now substituting the value of x in y place. So y equal to, we know 11 minus 2x by 3. 11 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 by 3 here. So which is equal to 11 minus minus plus 11 plus 4 by 3, which equal to 15 by 3 here. So 15 by 3 means y equal to 5 here. So we get an answers x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5 here. And we are going to find the m value in y equal to mx plus 3. So we know y equal to mx plus 3 here. So y is how much? 5. And m here, x is minus 2 plus 3 here. So here minus 2m, here 5 minus 3. So here 5 minus 3 equal to minus 2m here. So m equal to here 2 by minus 2. So that equal to minus 1 here. Question number 3. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. The first one, the difference between two numbers is 26. So let one number is x and another number is y. So difference will become x minus y, that equal to 26 here. And second, one number is 3 times the other. So one number is x, the other number means 3 times x, that will be 3y here. So we know x is equal to 3y and we are going to substitute in this equation. So here x is 3y, that means 3y minus y equal to 26 here. That means 2y equal to 26 and y equal to 26 by 2, that equal to 13 here. So y is 13, then x equal to, so x equal to 3 into 13. So that will equal to 39 here. So we get x equal to 39 and y equal to 13 here. Second, the larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So there are two supplementary angles. So let it be x and y. The two supplementary angles are there means x and y, that will be equal to 0. X and y, that will be equal to 180 here. Supplementary means 180, complementary means 90. So here x plus y equal to 180 here. And the larger exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So suppose x is there, which is larger, and this is smaller, which will exceed by 18 degrees means plus 18 it is. So these are the two equations. So here from this x value we know and we are going to input here. So x, we know y plus 18 plus y equal to 180 here. That will be 2y equal to 180 minus 18 18 here. So here y equal to 180 minus 18, which will be 162 by 2. That will be 81 here. So y is 81, then x equal to y is 81 plus 18. So that will be 99 here. So we get answers x equal to 99 and y equal to 81 here. Third one, the coach of a cricket team buys 5 bats and 6 balls for 3,800 rupees. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So here let x equal to bat and y equal to balls. So now first 7 bats 6 balls cost 3800. 7 balls, that means 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. Next 3 bats and 5 balls 1750. So 3x plus 5y equal to 1750. So now from the first equation we are going to see y equal to 3800, here minus 7x, here minus 7x and by 6. So this is the y value here. So now substituting y value in equation 2. So this is equation 2. Substituting y value, this is equation 1 suppose. So 1 in 2. So here we get 3x plus 5 into 3800 minus 7x by 6, that equal to 1750. So now 3 into this 3x plus 5 into 3800, which will become 19,000 minus 5 into 7, which is 35x by 6, that equal to 1750. So now taking the LCM here, so here 18x plus 19,000 minus 35x, that will become 1750 here. So 18x minus 13.5x, that will become minus 17x plus 19,000 and 1750 into 6, which will become 10,500. So now minus 17x equal to here 19,000 minus 10,500, which will become minus 8500. Then x equal to minus 8500 by minus 17, so that equal to 500. So x is 500, then we are going to find y here. So y we know 3,800 minus 7x by 6, that means y equal to 3,800 minus 7 into 500, which will become 3500 by 6 here. So that equal to 3,800 minus 3,500, which will become 300 by 6, that will become 50 here. So x value is 500 and y value is 50. That means x is bat and y is balls here. Fourth question. The taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with a charge of distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 105. For a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charges and a charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So here we are going to keep fixed charges. Let the fixed charges is x here and distance covered which is y here. And we know that taxi charges is equal to fixed charges plus charge for the distance covered. So now the first equation, when you are going to see, for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 105. So distance is 10 kilometers. That means 10x, and already we have fixed charge x. Then x plus 10y. So that equal to 105. Now second case, for a distance of 15 kilometers, the charge is 155. Now 15 kilometers distance means 15x, and already fixed charge will be there. That means x plus 15y, that equal to 155. So these are the two equations we are going to see. So from these equations we are going to find out here y value. So y value will become 105 minus x by 10 here. 105 minus x by 10. So this y value we are going to substitute in this equation 2. So now x plus 15 into 105 minus x by 10, that equal to 155. So now x plus 15 into 105, which will be 1575 minus 15x by 10 here, that equal to 155. So taking LCM here 10, so here 10x plus 1575 minus 15x equal to 155. So now 10x minus 15x, which will be minus 5x plus 1575, that equal to 1550. 155 into 10. So now here minus 5x equal to 1575, 1550 minus 1575, which will become minus 25. So x equal to minus cancel, 25 by 5. So that equal to 5 here. So x is 5, y equal to how much? So we know, So we know y equal to 105 minus x by 10. So y equal to 105 minus here x5 by 10 here. So 105 means 100 by 10, that equal to 10. So y equal to 10 here. Now x is 5, y equal to 10. That means fixed charge is x, that is 5, and distance y is 10 here. So now we get an equation x plus dy here, x plus dy. That means x is fixed charge, which is 5, and y is the distance, which is 10. And now in the question they asked, if a person have to pay, how much he has to pay for a distance of 25 kilometers. So here, if the distance is 25, then how much he has to pay? That means 5 plus 25 into 10, that equal to 5 plus 250 here, that equal to 255 rupees here. So this much rupees he has to pay. Question number 5. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction here. So now let it be x by y fraction. If 2 is added to numerator and denominator, that means here numerator x, which we add 2 here, and here we are going to add 2, then the fraction will become 9 by 11 here. And next another fraction is there, which is x by y here. That means if 3 is added to numerator, 3 is added to numerator and denominator, the fraction will become 5 by 6 here. Here it is 5 by 6. Now we are going to find out the equations by cross multiplication. Here 11 into x plus 2, that equal to 9 into y plus 2. So that will become 11x plus 22, that equal to 9y plus 18 here. So now 11x minus 9y, here 22 minus 18, which will be 4, that equal to 0 here. So in the other equation, by cross multiplication, 5, 6 into x plus 3, that equal to 5 into y plus 3 here. So 6x plus 18, that equal to 5y plus 15. So now 6x minus 5y, coming to left side, 18 here minus 15, so that will be plus 3, that equal to 0. So these are the two equations. So from the first we are going to find out the y value here. So here y equal to, so coming to here, it will become 11x plus 4 by 9 here. So substituting in this equation, we get 6x minus 5 into 11x plus 4 by 9, that equal to 3 here minus 3 it will become. So now 5 into 11, that means 6x minus 55x plus 20 by 9, that equal to minus 3 here. So now taking LCM, which is 9 here. Now 6 into 9, which will be 54x minus 55x minus 20, that equal to minus 3 here. So here x 54 minus 55, we get minus x. So that equal to minus 27 minus 20. So 20 will here minus 20, that equal to minus 27. Then we are going to see minus x equal to minus 27 plus 20 here, and minus x equal to minus 7. So minus minus cancel, x equal to 7 here. So when x equal to 7, we are going to find the y value. So y value we know 11x plus 4 by 9. So 11x plus 4 by 9, that means here 11 into 7 plus 4 by 9 here. So here y equal to 11 into 7 plus 4 by 9. So that equal to here 77 plus 4 by 9, which is equal to 81 by 9, that equal to 9 here. So we know got x equal to 7 and y equal to 9 here. So now fraction, when you are going to see, the fraction will be x by y, so that equal to 7 by 9 here. Sixth one, 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, the Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So here let Jacob age is x and his son's age is y here. So now 5 years later, when you are going to see, the age of Jacob will be x plus 5 and age of son will be x plus y plus 5 here. And another condition is given 5 years ago. That means back we are going to see. That means Jacob age will be x minus 5 and son's age will be y minus 5 here. Now in the first condition, 5 years ago, later, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. That means here x plus 5, which will be equal to 3 times, that is equal to 3 into y plus 5 here. Next, 5 years ago, that means back we are going to see, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 7 times. That means this is the Jacob's age, which is x minus 5, and 7 times that of his son, that means 7 into y minus 5 here. So these are the two equations we are going to see, and we are going to find the x and y values here. So now from these two equations we are going to find, that means x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 15 here, and x plus, that means x minus 3y, that equal to 15 minus 5, that equal to 10 here. This is first equation. Next, x minus 5 equal to 7y minus 35. Then x minus 7y equal to minus 35 plus 5, that will be minus 30 here. So now this is equation 1 and equation 2 here. Now x value we are going to see, that means here y value where you are going to see y equal to 10 minus x by 3. So here minus, so y will become x minus 10 by 3 here. So now this we are going to input here, that will be x minus 7 into x minus 10 by 3, that equal to minus 30 here. So now x minus 7x minus 70 by 3, that equal to minus 30 here. So now taking LCM, 3x minus 7x plus 70, that equal to minus 30 here. So now 3x minus 7x, so which will become minus 4x plus 70, that equal to 3 into 30, which will be minus 90 here. So minus 4x, that equal to minus 90 minus 70, that will be minus 60, minus 160. So minus minus cancel, so x equal to 160 by 4, so that will become 40 here. So we know x value. Now we are going to find the y value. So y value we know, that is x minus 10 by 3, that means 40 minus 10 by 3, so that will become 30 by 3, which will become 10 here. So y equal to 10 years, here 40 years. So this will become Jacob age is 40 years and son's age is 10 years here.